This is so exciting!
Yep, we'll be inside in a second.
Next, let's see your invitations.
Here it is!
You can go.
Wow!
So magical.
Wow! There they go! I can't wait for my turn. Hi! Don't worry. I have my invitation as well.
Ms., it's a mermaid party, and you're not a mermaid.
Oh.
I feel bad for her. Hey, wait!
Huh?
Maybe this might help.
Okay. I don't understand how a card is supposed to help. I have major FOMO. I really wanted to go. What is happening? Whoa. Should I be scared?
Yoo-hoo! I'm here!
Wow. Are you my fairy godmother? I mean, mermaid godmother?
Yeah. I'm here to help.
Ah! Ah!
Why are we screaming? Much better.
I need a mermaid makeover to go to this party.
Oh dear. I'm the right person for the job. My makeover kit has everything we'll need.
Wow.
Ta-da!
So cool. Where do we begin? Let's check this one out.
Wow.
So, what do I do?
First, we play. My turn.
Here is my move.
Who's gonna win?
Me.
Bravo!
Thanks.
Here are your rewards.
I can't believe it.
Okay, now, I think we should begin with this.
Huh?
Trust me, you're gonna love it.
I'm not so sure about that. You were right. It's so relaxing.
Yep, told ya. Phew, she's asleep, just as I planned. I can take care of the painful stuff. Ah! Sorry, but this was necessary.
My face!
This is what sheet masks are for. And those chapped lips desperately need some moisture. Now we wait. Time's up.
Loved the mango flavor.
Voila, perfect skin.
Wow. Thank you so much. Aw,
You got… Hang on. This situation required more than just a toothpick. My little helpers are ready for some cleaning action. I promise this toothpaste won't taste fishy. Come on, brushy brush.
And
Wow, I need sunglasses. Let's continue. We shouldn't waste any time.
I pick this one. What does it do? So enchanting. Okay, a glass?
That's right. You need to find the best hairstyle.
I better get to work. It's like a flashlight. Uh-oh.
So? What's so funny? Change it back.
I don't know how.
Gimme, I'll do it. Not this. Maybe? Nope. I'm scared of clowns. Back to the fishy. The crab. Aha! This is it.
Wow, so pretty.
Something's missing. I know! Your crown! I feel like a queen! Look, time's up!
We did it! We win this round too.
I think it's time for the makeup. You know what to do.
I pick this one. This is exciting!
And the new game is there! Easy! Come on, chop chop! You gotta win!
I hope I can do it before the countdown ends. Why is this so confusing? Oh no, I have very little time left.
Quick, get back to work!
Come on! Ugh, so stressful.
Maybe I can stop the time.
Aha! I figured it out. There! I did it!
Phew.
Are you okay?
I'm fine. This was tough.
I wonder what our reward will be. Let's see. Wow. But this one's weird. What am I supposed to do with it?
Stop! You're gonna tear it! It goes on your face!
Are you sure? This feels wrong.
I know what I'm doing. Trust the process and leave it to the pros, aka me. It's done! I used my favorite colors.
Wow. These are the mermaid colors indeed.
Maybe a bright smoky eye? Yes! This was a good move. Pay attention. I'm teaching you the best eyeliner hack. Looking sharp. This is the definition of a piercing look. Some lip gloss with crushed pearls for shiny lips.
I love my new look.
Not to brag, but I did a great job. Oh no, not on my watch. You need a party manicure.
But I don't know how to do that.
Honey, this is what the magic box is for.
Oh, you're right. Let's see what challenge I have to complete to get the best mermaid nails.
You got this. Just make sure to finish it before the countdown.
Honestly, I'm having so much fun doing this. It looks beautiful.
Huh. I wonder who's calling me. Hello? Oh, it's you.
One more color drop. This is mesmerizing, hypnotizing.
Mwah! Talk soon. Huh? Uh-oh. Snap out of it.
Huh? What? Where?
The challenge, remember?
Oh no, I failed.
Dear, let's just continue, okay?
Sure. Let's go with the white one. Wow, I'll never get tired of this. I need to win this round.
Don't forget about the time, okay?
Yep, let's do it. I'll create the best mermaid tail. Love the pink and gray color palette here. And done.
Wait, no!
Take a look. Huh? No!
Oh boy, you forgot to glue them?
Yep, guilty as charged. I still have some time left. I'll be fast. Oh no, I can't find the last piece. What do I do?
I can't see it anywhere. Here, take one of mine.
You're the best. I'll be forever grateful for this. Done.
Yay! Good job! Look at your rewards.
Where are they? I have a tail! I'm a real mermaid now! Thank you! I owe this to you!
Don't thank me yet. One last thing to do. Come on, open it.
What is this?
Have fun!
Wow, I'm riding in style. Princess style. I'm ready to take the spotlight. So glad I made it. Hello, sir? Remember me?
Oh my! Wow! I still need to see your invitation though.
Of course! Here it is!
One more mermaid check. Yep, all good. Have fun.
Whoa! I will! Thanks! Let's swim to the castle. This whole place looks amazing!
We're here for the party. Great, but wait a sec. Are those feet?
Feed? Fit?
It's a mermaid's only party. See?
What? Let's go. Wait! Pretty please?
I said mermaids only. Now go.
You don't have to tell me twice. Let's go, kitty. It's not fair.
Oh, poor thing. Fine.
Whoa! A makeover kit? Huh? Isn't this our lucky day? Let's see what we've got! Me first! Seashells! Wow! Whoa! I'll start with the first one. What's in it? I must have one too. Whoa! Black seashells! Just the way I like them! Whoa! What's this? What is it for? They're glitter patches. They make a great tail. What? It gave me a tail. I'm a mermaid. Look.
Well, I want one too. But my tail is gonna be darker. I want it with a hint of blue, pink, and purple. Check this out. It's like I was born to be a mermaid.
Are you ready to swim? They look lovely.
You said it, girl.
I can't wait to swim in this.
We're gonna make a splash.
Yeah.
Wow. Whoa.
Are you okay? Hey, see that subscribe button?
Why don't you click to see more of our videos? Can I go first this time? I wonder what's in it. Whoa! A washer? For what?
Beats me! Now, what do you have for me? A rack full of small clothes. It's got every style in it. This one's cute, but it's dirty. Ew! I'll go with something else. It's dirty too. Hang on. Hey, Kurumi.
What? Fine, take it.
Yay, you're the best.
No, thanks.
Oops, sorry. This ain't no ordinary laundry. So, I'll wash it with a dash of mermaid dust. Let's take it to a spin. Oh, it's finally done. Nothing like a fresh set of laundry. Fitting time. Wow, it fits like magic.
Hey, I want new clothes too. You better share, kitty.
Oh, I've got something for you. Pick one.
Purple, of course.
Want some of my mermaid dust?
I'll use my own. Thank you very much. My outfit will be dark, just like the ocean. Down the hatch. Now let's turn on this bad boy. Wow, so relaxing. Oh, what's with that washer? Oh, it's done. Look how gorgeous my top is. Wow. Hey, no picking.
Whoops. Wow, you look beautiful. All right, my turn. Show number 3. What do you have for me? Is this what I think it is? Giddy makeup! It has everything I need to turn into a mermaid. I don't even know where to start.
How come she gets all the good stuff? I better get something good too. You've got to be kidding me. Might as well practice breathing underwater. Oh, great. Now my makeup is gone.
Oh, don't mind me. I'm just trying out a new look. I heard sparkle is trending all over SeaTalk. That's why I'm gonna go all in with diamonds. That deep sea party is gonna be lit. One last touch for the star of the party.
I wish I had makeup too. Hey, there is more over there. Let's go magnet fishing. I'll just hover the line over the makeup, and voila! I've got a full set. All those years fishing for snacks paid off. What a haul! I'll start with purple eyeshadow. I'll put it all over my eyelid and blend it up towards the crease. Now I'll add some blush and some lipstick to complete the look. Just wipe it across for all a light color. And of course, we can't forget some glitter.
Is that glitter? Can I have some?
No.
How about we trade?
For some run-over fishnets? I can make good use of this. I'll wear it all the way up to my elbow. Then put makeup over it.
So, how about a trade? The glitter.
What? Oh, right. Here.
Thanks!
I'll dab makeup on top of the fishnet.
As for me, I'll squeeze some glitter right on my arms. Then I'll use a brush to spread it all over. I want every spot sparkling. Wow, they look just like scales! Can you believe I was a cat 5 minutes ago? Huh? What happened to my ears? They've turned into girls!
Check out my work! Ever seen scales this cool? I made them myself.
Your girls are cool too!
Oh, of course! Only the coolest for me! Now let's see what we have here! A boring old key. What am I supposed to do with this?
Alright, my turn. It's just stale water. I can't believe it. Not even a fashion site. Oh, wait! It's a treasure chest. There's something in it, but it's locked.
What? Hey, give me that.
No, it's mine.
I have a key. Hello.
Fine.
Open sesame. Whoa! And it fits me perfectly.
Oh, I wish I had a ring. Oh, look! A message in a bottle. Let's open it. Huh? It looks like some sort of a map.
Give me that.
Hey, found it!
Ouch!
Oh no! Now I don't know where it leads. I must get it back.
I need that other half. Whatever. I don't need it. I'll just follow this line.
What am I gonna do?
Nothing.
Gotcha! Not.
Is it here?
Oh, here? Nuh-uh.
It's here somewhere.
Ouch!
Watch where you are going.
Hey, wanna combine the maps?
Why not?
Whoa! There it is!
Whoa! Wow! It looks just like the map.
I'll start digging here. I hope I find something good. A starfish ring! Jackpot! It goes so well with my look. But we're not done yet. Let's go big or go home. I bet this map has got something more for me. Maybe under this mountain? I knew it! This pearl necklace really ties the look together. Oh, what's under the volcano? A gorgeous headpiece. Now that's explosive.
She got all that from the map? What does it have for me? A pineapple? Under the sea? This is a joke? And there is a fan in it. I'm surely not fan of this. Whoa! It's like a twister! Oh, it's powerful enough to blow anything away! Treasure! I wonder what it is. It's a headpiece. Now I feel just like a mermaid princess. And no mermaid will be seen without her pearls.
Shall I open the next shell? 1, 2, 3! Huh? It's too dark! I'll shine a light in it. What treasure shall I find down there? Bingo! Pink nail polish! Lucky!
That's exactly what I need.
Let's get down to painting. I'll start with the bottom, then swab it to the top of the nail. Repeat for all 5 fingers. Then add some decorations. Did you think I was gonna forget about the glitter? This little mermaid is sparkling all over. What do you think?
It's too pink for me. I sure hope I find something darker. Seems like a normal drawing. There you are. Just the shade I wanted. I'll dab nail polish on every finger. Then I'll get right into decorating. Everything I need is in this container. I'll sprinkle the stars right on the wet nail polish.
Nice! Let's open the last shell together.
Wow!
I see you are done with the makeover.
It's you!
Let's show off our looks. So, what do you think?
Let's see. You've got the bedazzled look down. Sparkling from the headpiece all the way down to the tail. Good.
What about me?
Oh, shells. Nice touch. And girl, you are sparkling. And great job on that tail. You are going to the party.
Yay! Wow!
We're finally in!
Hey, welcome!
You guys look amazing. Where did you get your hair done? It's about to go down.
I know a great spot over there.
Yeah, we made it!
Yay! It's so fun!
My job here is done.
Whew, it's boiling in here. I need a drink.